the future of the Iraqi dinar, market trends, revaluation potential, and global impact. The Iraqi dinar has been a topic of significant discussion among investors and financial analysts. Many speculate about the possibility of a revaluation or redenomination that could lead to massive financial gains. With recent developments in Iraq's financial policies and increasing global interest, it's crucial to examine the factors influencing the dinar's future and its potential impact on investors. A brief history of the Iraqi dinar. The Iraqi dinar, IQD, has undergone multiple transformations over the decades. Once a strong currency, it faced a devaluation due to wars, sanctions, and economic instability. The introduction of high-denomination notes in the early 2000s further fueled discussions about a potential redenomination to remove excess zeros. Current market trends and economic factors. One Central Bank of Iraq's strategic plan, the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has been actively working on financial reforms, including issuing medium and long-term securities, shifting to an advanced banking system, increasing gold reserves, introducing high-quality banknotes, implementing taxation to diversify revenue sources. These initiatives aim to stabilize Iraq's economy and align it with international financial standards. Second, redenomination versus revaluation. There is often confusion between these two terms. Redenomination, adjusting the nominal value of currency by removing zeros without changing its real value. Revaluation, increasing the official exchange rate of the currency, thereby strengthening its purchasing power. According to Kurdish news sources, Iraq is considering removing 3 zeros, a move designed to streamline financial transactions and increase efficiency. However, whether this will lead to an actual increase in value remains uncertain. Speculation on a possible exchange rate adjustment. 1. The $28.50 per dinar claim. A long-standing rumor suggests a possible exchange rate of $28.50 per dinar. While this figure has been widely circulated, there is no concrete evidence supporting it. If Iraq were to adopt a gold standard, as some speculate, the dinar's value might see a substantial shift. However, such a drastic change would require significant economic restructuring. 2. U.S. Treasury support for Iraq's financial independence. Recent reports indicate that the U.S. Treasury has acknowledged Iraq's financial progress and granted it greater autonomy in monetary policy. This move could play a crucial role in the future of the dinar. Comparing Iraq's situation to Kuwait's currency appreciation, many investors reference Kuwait's currency appreciation as a precedent for Iraq. However, key differences must be noted. Kuwait never faced extreme inflation requiring large denomination banknotes. Iraq added 3 zeros to its currency due to past inflation, making the redenomination discussion more relevant. The potential impact of currency changes. 1. On investors, a revaluation could lead to substantial gains for those holding large amounts of IQD. However, a simple redenomination without a value change would have minimal financial impact. 2. On Iraq's economy, a stronger dinar could attract foreign investment, stabilize inflation, and improve Iraq's global trade standing. However, any drastic currency change must be backed by economic growth and political stability. Deep dive into Iraq's economic reforms. 1. The role of the Central Bank of Iraq. The Central Bank of Iraq plays a crucial role in monetary policies and financial stability. It has been focusing on reducing reliance on the U.S. dollar, promoting local currency usage, and enhancing banking sector reforms. 2. Gold reserves and financial security. Iraq has significantly increased its gold reserves in recent years. This move strengthens its financial security and prepares the country for potential currency adjustments. 3. Investment climate and foreign interest. Iraq has been actively inviting foreign investment, especially in sectors like energy, infrastructure, and Technology. A stable currency would enhance investor confidence and economic growth. Fourth, automation and digital banking. Iraq is shifting towards a more digital financial system. This includes the implementation of automated banking processes, electronic payments, and blockchain technology to improve transparency and efficiency. Global factors influencing Iraq's currency. Punct 1. Oil market trends. Since Iraq is heavily reliant on oil exports, fluctuations in global oil prices directly impact its economy. Higher oil prices could strengthen the dinar, while lower prices could delay financial reforms. Second, geopolitical stability. Political stability is crucial for any currency revaluation. Iraq's relations with neighboring countries, internal governance, and global partnerships play a key role in its financial future. 3. U.S.-Iraq relations and economic policies. The U.S. continues to have a significant influence on Iraq's financial decisions. Any policy changes in U.S.-Iraq relations could impact the dinar's valuation and market trends. Possible scenarios for the Iraqi dinar's future. 1. Gradual appreciation. Iraq could implement slow and steady appreciation measures, allowing market forces to dictate the dinar's rise in value over time. Second, immediate revaluation. A sudden increase in value, while highly speculative, remains a possibility if Iraq's economic conditions and global partnerships align favorably. Third, redenomination without value. Change. The most likely scenario involves removing zeros without changing the currency's actual purchasing power, ensuring smoother financial transactions. Expert opinions on the Iraqi dinar. Economists and financial analysts have mixed views on the dinar's future. Some believe Iraq's economic growth and reforms could eventually lead to an increase in value. Others argue that redenomination without revaluation is more realistic given Iraq's current financial position. Conclusion. While speculation around the Iraqi dinar continues, it's essential to separate facts from rumors. The Central Bank of Iraq is implementing significant financial reforms, but whether these will lead to a substantial exchange rate shift remains uncertain. Investors should stay informed and approach any investment in Iraqi dinars with caution and proper research. Call to action. Stay updated on the latest Iraqi dinar developments by subscribing to our channel. Join the discussion in the comments and share your insights on the future of the dinar. Don't miss out on crucial updates. Hit the subscribe button now.